Sometime back, a study was made on the logistics cost in India. It was found that the cost of logistics in India is about 13%. Globally, in most of the developed countries, the cost of logistics is around 8%. The gap between Indian logistics cost and that of globally developed countries is a difference of about 5%. The reason for this increase in logistic cost is one is connectivity, two is handling cost, three is directly and indirectly the transportation cost locally and domestically. Combined together, all this is adding to a higher logistics cost compared to the rest of the world. Let us have a look at the facilities that are available. In India, the first ever container station was in Chennai. The first ever private container station was also in Chennai. In the year 2008, thanks to the initiative taken by some other people, the first ever air freight station was notified in Chennai. Unfortunately, even after about 5 to 6 years, it has not taken off purely because of some of the stakeholders not keen in this being developed. This adds to a logistic cost because there are delays, there are congestions, and as a result of the congestion, there is a longer dwell time. So if you look at it, the Ministry of Civil Aviation came out with a study. A group was formed, and this group went into the air industry in general and the air cargo industry in particular. This group submitted a report to the ministry and the ministry accepted it, and this became a guideline factor. One of the recommendations of the study of the working group was to create an air cargo logistics promotion board. This air cargo logistics promotion board was created a couple of years back by the Ministry of Civil Aviation. What is very, very heartening is that almost all the ministries, the senior level representatives of the ministries are the members of this air cargo logistics promotion board. Southern India Chamber of Commerce and Industry is very, very happy that this was the first chamber to be made a part of this air cargo logistics promotion board as a special invitee. One of the key initiatives of this air cargo logistics promotion board is to ensure that the air freight station is in place. The Planning Commission, in the last report that they submitted, have also made it very clear that the air freight station should become a reality. We are confident that the new ministry will take the initiative to make the air freight station operational, and the Air Cargo Logistics Promotion Board, which is doing a wonderful job, will also ensure that it is not only operational, it becomes a competitive facility that is available to the trade and industry, which will bring up the efficiency and bring down the cost. One of the key factors that is pulling down the Indian EXIM industry is the transactional cost and the transactional time. If the air freight station and such facilities are going to be in place, it will definitely help to facilitate a reduction in dwell time, a reduction in transactional cost, and a reduction in transactional time. Having said that, any airport across the country, so also the air cargo terminals across the country, the last mile connectivity is a very, very major challenge. A common road is being shared by right from the pedestrians to the public transport system. Unless otherwise, we are going to create corridors exclusively for cargo. This type of the real growth is going to be compromised. And SICI has always been saying that there should be a separate ministry or a separate department covering all the logistics industries of the country. In most of the developed countries, they have a separate logistics division or a logistics ministry. This ministry, this government can also consider creation of a separate logistics ministry, will take probably the EXIM industry to the next dimension and would make it more competitive globally. Thank you.